I'm gonna teach you how to make your own small cinema. So grab a box that is the shape of this, or buy one if you don't have, and then make the size of a cut. And then I'm gonna show you how to make the phone handle, because this time we need a phone, because like, why not? Like this type of paper, the size of this paper right here. So then like fold it like this, and then like this, and then like fold it like this side, like this, for example, and then like and then do that on the other side, like this side right here, and then like put this into this box like that. So like, why not? And then put your phone inside, like a there, and then like that.